Mary Lou!
There's our Lulu. She's one of a kind, one of a kind.
I gotta get the bag.
Darian.
Hey.
It's video.
Oh, it's video called?
Uncle Joe.
Scaling fish the hard way.
Yeah, isn't that something? I just talked to this friend of mine. I said about you, and I said she's taking pictures of everything now.
I'm videoing.
And Sue, I thought she's on Facebook, so I emailed her something. I said they've gone fishing, and I said she's taking pictures of everything, even of pictures. How about that? What do you think of these people, Jim?
They're all right.
Do they know how to fish?
I couldn't talk about them, I know that.
We can't talk about me. Guess what? I was just talking to Louise Gwen.
Oh, what you?
She called me when I was. She's doing fine. It's hot. She's hotter than heck down there.